Alright, we got. Yeah, okay. Alright, we got here a little bit early, so it'll probably be a little bit of a long video. We just arrived at the train station.
Are you taking?
So, I'm about to pause you in a few minutes so I could get up the stairs. So we're going on the bridge today. I just can't face my fears of being down below, seeing the train. I know I'm afraid of I'm only afraid of the freight trains. I just like being on the bridge. It feels more better for me. Alright, I'm pause it. Alright, so I thought we were going to take the stairs. Oh my god, it feels so weird going down like this. Alright, here you go. We're on the bridge now. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna flip you guys. Alright, you just got flipped. It feels so scary. And you guys, I think I found the light. I think I'm seeing a light here. No, because it said it's coming from Milwaukee. So, or that it could be a freight train, but that's not it. It's coming from that way. That's where the train will be coming. It'll be going all the way under us to down there to Chicago, Illinois. That's where the train will be heading. So it's going to be a half an hour until the train arrives. So I'm just going to keep an eye out because you never know if there's a freight coming. I'm obviously not expecting a 60 mile an hour freight train coming way with me, not expecting. That's just gonna I'm just gonna flip. I obviously have to face my fear being down here. It's going to be a freight because I think I see a train car above the engine. No, I'm pretty. Oh, it looked like the train was so close to hitting a car. It looked so close from where I'm at. But I already can tell it's still far away from the tracks. Guys, we got paused. It's a freight, I can tell. No, it's on the track I'm above.
It can be an Amtrak, bro.
It can be an Amtrak. I think they'll check the wrong schedule. Okay. Yeah, I see all three lights. So I got it right. Was that the one? Stay sus, Wisconsin.